Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, your Garmin Connect app stops working. Sometimes an update fixes everything. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to update the Garmin Connect app on your phone, whether we are using an iOS or maybe an iPhone. An Android. It doesn't really matter, since it's the same steps. So on iPhone, all you're gonna do is open the App Store, tap your profile icon at the top right, then scroll down to see pending updates. Find the Garmin Connect app, then tap Update next to it. If you don't see it, pull down to refresh or search Garmin Connect. If it says open, you are up to date. If it says update, just tap it. So we are here on Android. All we're gonna do is open the Google Play Store, then tap on the search bar. We're gonna go through the Garmin Connect mobile app, and here it is. All you're gonna do now, if you can see this update button available, just tap it, wait a couple seconds until it's fully done, then you can use your app. You can also go and check on your profile icon, tap Manage Apps and Devices, look for Garmin Connect, and their updates available, and tap Updates. It's basically the same thing, just different way. So why this type of updates matters? Well, update or app update fix bugs and add more features. A recent iOS update fixed connectivity issues for Phoenix and Forerunner users. So if your watch stopped syncing, just check for an update first and make sure both of your devices are fully working properly. You are connected via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.